We are gathered here today to honor one of the lives, honor the life of Tweety Bird. Her life was taken by a senseless act of cruelty. No one here really knew Tweety, but what we do know is that we filmed it and we're sick. So enjoy the video.
Tulip, don't eat the
Dude, don't
flowers.
cry. Don't cry, Tulip. She...
So Tulip, why'd you do it? Why did you kill Tweety? Based on your reactions, you're very, very guilty. You want to talk about it? You want to tell the story from the beginning? Why don't you start there? Start at the very beginning and tell us what happened. Tulip. Look, right here. That's the story.
Somebody once told me
Anybody
the
else want
world is
to help
gonna
dig?
roll me. I ain't the
We're going
sharpest
6
tool
feet
in
down,
the
scale model.
shed. She was looking kind of dumb with a finger and a thumb in the shape of an L.
But we need a screen to go.
Well, the years start coming and the don't start coming. The back to the room, I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see, so much
So
more
now
mistake in the back
we
street.
put Tweety to
Never know
rest.
if you don't go.
Let's push the dirt.
Shine if you
It's
don't
on.
glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on.
I need more sticks.
That's not enough bed.
Look at. Is that no bed?
No.
See, here's a little soft bed. Can we go buy him a bed? A little straw bed. There you go. I got just a bunch of leaves.
There we go.
Perfect. Well, one more. Mom, sorry, but it's for Tweety. R.I.P. Tweety. Dirty Tweety. Well, he was Tweety the birdie.
Wait, right here. Tweety was here.
Go over. Oh my God.
on, your eyes are closed already.
On that side they're closed.
Okay, let's go this
Yeah,
side.
this is a good sign.
Come on, little guy. Dunk, 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 dunk. Keep that little heart going. Dunk, 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 dunk.